Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me on another video. My name is Ti from Snowflake Crochet, and I would like to do a little bit of a deep dive into what I would have done starting out as a beginner, mainly focusing on what yarn I would have purchased and what hooks I would have purchased. So I don't want you to go through the same thing that I did, purchasing a whole bunch of stuff that I currently don't even use. So I'm just going to give you my recommendations and hopefully it will be helpful to you. So first and foremost, I would like to go into what yarn I would recommend. And this is the Bernat Maker Home Deck. I really like it because it's perfect for the summer because it's a blend of cotton and nylon. And it also gives your stitch a beautiful stitch definition. It's easy to work with because it's a bulkier weight instead of a worsted weight or a light DK weight. So you're able to see your stitches better. It's also very smooth when working with. I also really like this yarn because sometimes with cotton you could get splitting, and that can be a little annoying and tedious. So I prefer this. You won't have any splitting problems with this, and it'll be easy to work with. So this is what I'm going to be working with too during my beginner tutorials. And stick around towards the end of this video. I'm going to be speaking about a giveaway that you can enter to win most of the supplies that I'm mentioning. On to the hooks, which, my goodness, I purchased so many hooks and I really just like 3, I think. And before I go into the hooks, I should mention that I hold my hooks like how I hold my pencil, which is kind of like this. I don't know if you can tell. So I put a lot of strain on my middle finger and my thumb. And because I do that, I prefer hooks that have a rubber end. So I'm going to start out from the cheapest to the most expensive. And the cheapest one is this Offbrand. So it's a replica brand for the Clover, because a lot of people like the Clover. So this is a replica of it. This is the replica. This is the actual Clover. And with the replica, I didn't find any problems at all, except that sometimes because of how hard I hold on to this rubber portion, I do have my rubbers coming off easily. So I don't have a couple of my hooks anymore because the rubber did come off. But other than that, for the price, I think it's totally worth it. It came in a pack with about 6 other hooks, or should I say 6 hooks in total. And it had a case, tapestry needles, and a ruler, if I remember correctly. And yeah, so it's a good starter package, especially if you don't know if you're going to continue learning how to crochet or not. Moving up from that is the Clover crochet hook. They have Clovers in single version as well as the set. I personally went for the single version only because now at this stage I know what hooks I use most rather than going for the set, because most of those in the set I wouldn't use. So this is the Clover. I really like it. It's a little bit lighter than the replica version, and the rubber on the casing does last a lot longer. I don't have any problems with the rubber at all. Going up from the Clover is the Tulip crochet hooks, and I bought the set. Looks like this. It comes with about 6 or 7 crochet hooks. I don't remember because some may be around the house somewhere. I do remember that I did have a scissor as well as a tapestry needle, and of course this really nice case. The Tulip is my favorite right now. I use it all the time. It's really light and I have no problems with it at all. I really like this hook. If you do know that you want to stick with crochet, I would just go right ahead and get the Tulips. So for the beginner lessons, like I said, I'm going to be using the Bernat. The hook that I would recommend for this yarn is a 6.5 millimeter, and most of the sets do not come with 6.5mm, so you're going to have to purchase them separately. But I did link them down below for you. So to the giveaway part, I'm going to give away a skein of this burnout yarn, as well as Clover's 6.5mm hook. And I wish I had it here to show you, but I will insert a picture here, as well as a cute stork scissors and a tapestry needle. So basically everything you need to go ahead and start this beginner series, it will be in your mailbox for you. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel and comment in the comment section down below what project you'd like to be able to complete by the end of this beginner series. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and be subscribed to this channel for more videos. I'm really excited about doing this beginner series. I feel like I'm going back to the start of everything, so it should be pretty interesting. The next video that I'm going to be posting on this channel is how to read this handy dandy label, and then some more stuff after that. I don't know yet, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye.